Okay, the first part of my video got cut off, so here is the little tikes backhoe, which is essentially an excavator that I just got today. I got the Tonka front end loader today, and I got the Tonka bulldozer a few days ago. But the little tikes backhoe swivels the whole way around. It works as a scoop. Right here is a spot for you to sit on. I had one of these when I was little, probably 25 years ago. And they are very hard to find. I've been looking for one for a long time. So I'm glad I finally got it. And it works. It's in good shape. The stickers are gone, but it works good. I'm happy to got it. Happy to have it. I have more Tonka trucks, Steel Classics coming on the way in the mail. I'll have more videos out on them in the coming days. So be sure to subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.